Picture this, it's the mid 1980s and Ford is making waves in the world of performance cars with something truly unique. Enter the Ford Sierra XR8, a car that would go on to become a legend in the world of performance sedans. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of Ford's most iconic performance cars, the Sierra XR8. Whether you remember it from its heyday in the 80s or you just discover it now, this car holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. Let's see what makes the Ford Sierra XR8 such a remarkable machine. The Ford Sierra XR8 was introduced in 1982 as a replacement for the popular Cortina. While the Sierra itself was a massive success, it wasn't until the arrival of the XR range that things got exciting. But it was the XR8 that really captured everyone's attention. In '84, Ford unleashed the XR8, featuring a powerful 5-liter V8. This wasn't just another sedan. It was a performance machine wrapped in a stylish aerodynamic body with 160 kilowatts of power and a 0 to 60 time of under 8 seconds. The XR8 was a serious contender on the road. Under the hood of the XR8, a 5-liter Windsor V8. This thing could absolutely fly thanks to its impressive output and a lightweight design of the Sierra. With rear-wheel drive and a manual gearbox, it was a pure driving experience. The XR8 wasn't just about performance, it had the looks to match. The aggressive front grille, wide stance, and bold XR styling made it stand out from the crowd. And let's not forget the iconic rear spoiler. That was a car that demanded attention wherever it went. Inside, the XR8 was all about comfort and practicality, while still offering that sporty edge. Recaro seats, a unique dashboard, and a simple but efficient layout, making driving the XR8 a thrilling yet comfortable experience. It was a car that didn't compromise on either performance nor luxury. On the road, the XR8 offered an unmatched balance of power and handling. Its independent rear suspension allowed for precise cornering, while the V8 power provided plenty of punch when you needed it. This was a car built for driving enthusiasts. While the Sierra XR8 was undoubtedly a great car in its own right, it also played a key role in the history of performance cars in Australia and beyond. It was one of the first affordable V8 sedans that could comfortably compete with European rivals, all while offering the reliability and practicality of a family car. Even today, the XR8 remains a sought-after classic, with enthusiasts restoring, modifying, and showing off their own pieces of Ford history. It's a true testament to the engineering and design that went into creating this iconic machine. So what makes the Sierra XR8 so special? Is it its power, the design, or maybe the way it captured the essence of the 80s performance car culture? We think it's all of that and more. The XR8 truly was a legend in its own time. Tell us what you think about the Ford Sierra XR8. Have you ever driven one? Or do you have any stories or memories from back in the day? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more classic car content. Until next time, keep driving and keep the legends alive. Catch you in the next video.